Hello kids, very good morning. I am your Chandni ma'am from St. Thomas Babylon School and today I come back with a English written subject. Okay, so today we will do exercise. We will revise all exercise. Okay, so let's start. See, this is our first question. Match the following. Match the following. That means you have to match here letters. Okay, see what is this? This is A. So here you have to find out where is A. Can you say where is A? Here. So you have to match this A to here, this A to that A. Understood? Okay, then after, see what is this? This is B. Now can you say where is B? This one is B? No. This one is B? No. This one is B? No. This is B. So we match here. Understood? Then what is this? This is C. C. Here also C. So we match here. Okay. Next one is D. Next one is D. Where is D? Here? No. This one. So you have to match there. What is this? E. E. So match here. Okay. Understood? So it is very easy. Okay. Now we are going to see next exercise. Identify and circle on letter. Identify and circle on letter. Identify and circle on letter. That means you have to identify specific letter and then circle on it. Identify C. That means we have to identify C. Where is C? We have to find out, then put on circle on C. Understood? So, C. What is this? This is C? No. This one is C? Yes. Then put on circle. Okay? Understood? This is C? No. This one is C? Yes. Then put on circle. This is C? No. This one is C? No. So, in this, only two are C here. Okay. Now, first number is over. Now, we do second number. Identify B. Identify B. So, we have to find out B. What is this? This is B. So, put on circle. What is this? This is B. This one is also B. So, again put circle. What is this? This is B for ball? No. This one? B for ball? No. This one is B for ball? Yes. Then put circle. This one is B? No. So, don't put circle here. Understood? So, our second exercise, second question is over. Now, we see third question. Missing letters. Missing letters. That means you have to write missing. Which letter are missing? That one only you have to write. Understood? Here A. This one, what is this? This is B. B before. B before what will write here? What will come here? A. B before we have to write A. We should write A. A, B. A, B. B after A, B, C. Okay? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then what will come? A, B, C, D, E. Understood? Okay. Now our third question. is also over. Now we are going to do question number 4. Question number 4. Write A to E. Write A to E. That means you have to write here A, B, C, D, E. A. Then what will come? B. A, B, then C. A, B, C, then D, then E. Understood? A, B, C, D, E. A to E, that means you have to write A, B, C, D, E. Understood? Our fourth question also over. Then we do all exercise in this book. Okay? So our first question is match the following letters. In this question you have to match letters. Okay? See, what is this? This is A. Where is A here? Here. Then you have to match here. Then what is this? This is B. Where is B? Here. So you have to match here. Then what is this? This is C for cat. So you have to match here. What is this? This is D for dog. Where is D for dog in this row? In this column, where is D for dog? Here. Then you have to match here. Then E for elephant. So you have to match there. Okay? Now next exercise is identify and circle on letter. Okay, so you have to identify letter. Here first question is identify C. So in this we have to find out C. Okay, this is C. Yes or no? No. This one is C. Yes. Then you have to do circle. This is C. Yes. Then do circle. This is C for cat. No. This one is C. Yes. Then you have to do circle. This is C. No. This one is C. Yes. This one is C. No. Okay. Understood? Next one is identify B. Here we have to find out B for ball. Okay. This one is B for ball. So we draw circle. This is B for ball. No. This one is B for ball. No. This one is B for ball. No. This is B for ball. So we draw circle. B for ball. Yes or no? No. This is D for dog. This one is B for ball. Yes. Then you have to do a circle. Okay. Now we do next exercise. Okay. Our third question is missing letters. So in this we have to write missing letters. Okay. B. B for what will come? B before A. A, B, then what will come? C. A, B, C, D, then E. Understood? Next one is A, then what will come here? B. A, B, C, then D. A, B, C, D, then E. Understood? A, then B, C, A, B, C, D is already here, so no need to write. Okay. A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Understood? Now question 4. Write A to E. That means you have to write here A to E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, understood? A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Fifth question is for handwriting and neatness. We will give some marks. Okay. So you have to write this all exercise, this full question paper with a good handwriting and with a neatness. Okay. So this all exercise, it is in your homework. Okay. And today I will send you PDF also with this video. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.